Instead of eating bread, I eat this to stay fit. No flour, no sugar, no butter. It is made from two superfoods, quinoa and chia seeds. It's loaded with so much health benefits, and of course, it is absolutely delicious. To a bowl with chia seed, add water, the list of ingredients used and measurement is included in the description section. Soak the chia seeds for around 4 hours before use. Into another bowl with quinoa. I'm using the white quinoa. Rinse until the water runs clear and then add fresh water, and also we would be soaking this for around 4 hours. I like soaking my quinoa and chia seeds as this enables better digestion amongst other benefits. After 4 hours, to a blender, add the chia seeds, the quinoa with the water already drained, If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Salt, baking soda, baking powder, freshly ground black pepper, any dried herb of your choice. I'm using dried parsley, olive oil, and lastly, plain yogurt. If you don't have plain yogurt, you can also use water. Blend until you have a smooth consistency, and then transfer into a lined baking tray. And top with some sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for around 70 to 80 minutes, or until an inserted toothpick comes out dry. Once your quinoa bread is baked, allow to cool for around 10 minutes and enjoy. You can have this with any topping of your choice. I had mine with some cheese and a bit of salad on top. Absolutely delicious.